Yo, welcome back everybody. This is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. Today, I want to talk to you guys about why you should have a tablet for your drone. So if you're new to drones, you will need to get one because the drone app is very big. When I first got my drone, I was using my cell phone and it just constantly just start taking up memory and whatnot. So I finally got me a tablet. I didn't want to get no giant ass tablet, but you can get an Apple tablet or an Android tablet, or I guess Samsung would do. But as long as the tablet um, uh, is capable with Google Play Store, then you can get you can download the DJI app. So let me get my tablet, and I'm gonna show you guys what this look like and how big the screen looks like, because it's bigger than a cell phone, obviously. So pull it out, cut it on. Got some stuff from Facebook and whatnot. It looks so nice too. This guy. It's a lot of stuff I got, emails and whatnot. Make sure you get all your emails and stuff on here. That's what it look like. Right now it's 4 degrees outside, which is fucking crazy. So basically, if you're new to drones, or if you're interested in getting one, get a tablet, get one of these. And you go to settings. So you can see this pretty good. Go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Make sure your remote and the drone's cut on. Then you want to go to Phantom. It won't say this. It'll say Phantom 3. I just put Henry in there. Then just gotta connect, and should be connecting. Alright, it's connected. Once it's connected, you wanna back out, go to DJI, that blue app right there, DJI, click on it. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay guys, once you get it all set up, that's what it should look like. So I got the drone on, I was looking at my TV, all this will pop up. Then you want to exit. Come on, what the hell? Then all this other stuff will pop up. And then right now it's looking at my Xbox. Then it's FPV right there. And this is what the FPV looks like. It looks pretty good. The screen looks nice, crisp. Cut it on video, get the 2.7K out of it. And boom. Look at that. That looks nice. So guys, I will be doing just some more. I'm gonna try it and do like a stream and stuff. I'm gonna also do a drone flight in the winter, where you guys can see how good it performs in the winter. I personally wouldn't recommend it, but it's up to you. And oh yeah, this slides off. Just get a case for that tablet if you want to get that tablet. It's just a 7-inch tablet, a Galaxy, what the hell is it called? Galaxy Tab A, something like that. So it's nothing too shabby. So and then if you want those antennas back there, those are these. You can get these on Amazon. I did a video about all my accessories I got, but this is about the tablet, this video. So these are these right here. These are on Amazon. So want to check those out. Those are about $60 now, something like that. The tablet, you can go to Best Buy and get it. That's where I got that from, the tablet. So you just go to Best Buy, pick you up a nice tablet. You can pick up an Apple tablet. I just want to go budget, pick up something small, something that's bigger than my phone, and it's a lot bigger than my phone. Means I'll get a much more field of view. So, which will help you a lot with flight and visual, and you can see see way quicker and stuff. Plus, the phone I had isn't like, it's kind of old, but you know, this is a 2016 tablet, so it's more HD, high definition. So, um, you know, it, if you guys have any comments about different tablets that you can get, leave them below. I might or may not know. All I know is Android and Apple is the ones that's compatible with DJI. But you can also get different apps for your drone. You can get that Litchi app as well. So I don't know. I just stuck to DJI. So uh, I hope you guys having a good New Year's. And about these controllers, because I know some people are curious about these controllers, about how long they last and whatnot. Before you fly, make sure everything's charged up. Make sure your tablet's charged up, the drone's is charged up, and your controller's charged up all the way. And if you have multiple batteries, which I do, then that's good. That means you have more fun and you'll get much more longer uh flight duration. So instead of having one battery, you gotta go home now after your 20 minutes. So guys, I also have something else on the way. It's uh a case for your drone, so I hope it fits. So if you're into a Phantom or whatnot, stay tuned to my channel. If you're into drones and whatnot, this is a gadget. So you know, I talk about guns, games, and gadgets. So tablets are gadget as well. So this is the case is an accessory. So something nice, something that you will need to get if you get into drones. You need a case. I can tell you that you need a case, and I will walk through with you guys about the aspects of the case and how many batteries that can go in there. And I'm also getting a case for my tablet. Like I said, you need to get a case, a shell, or something for your tablet for you, cause you seen how loose that was on that little mount. So as soon as as soon as that come in, then I'll just put it on there, and as soon as my case get here, then I'll do a review on that, and you guys will see my new little skin, my shell on my tablet. I also may be doing I don't know. It's been real cold. I might have the balls to go out there and just do a drone review on the Phantom 3 Standard. Because, you know, it is a budget type drone, but it's still a drone that can fly itself back. So it can do a lot of stuff, just not as much as the advanced ones can do. So this is a nice entry level drone and stuff. You can upgrade it like I did. I've been spending money to upgrade this stuff, make it look more professional. So when people see you outside flying this type of stuff, you need to look professional for it. They won't get all paranoid and whatnot. You know how people are with drones. Some people like them, some people don't. That's just how it is. But like I said, if you got any questions and stuff, I also will be talking about what you can and cannot do with the drones and some of the limitations and aspects and the laws and stuff that is that you gotta follow when you get one. So half of the laws really don't make sense, but hey, you know, you gotta abide by them. So before, you know, there's a bunch of assholes that flies them and fly them too close to the airport or over thousands of people, which you know how to do that. But you know, just you know, people are just stupid. That's why we got these fucking laws, the FAA laws. So guys, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I'll be having many more drone videos on the way, possibly, and a range day video if it warms up a little bit. I hope it does. But guys, I hope you guys stay safe. Happy New Year's again, and as always, have a nice day.